Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I've got some exciting news that you don't want to miss. The FIFA World Cup 2026 is officially opening volunteer recruitment, and yes, people from all over the world, including Africa, can apply. This could be your golden ticket to international experience and connections. So stay tuned because I'm going to break everything down step by step. The FIFA World Cup 2026 will be hosted by Canada, the United States and Mexico. It kicks off on June 11, 2026 and wraps up on July 19 with the grand finale. And here's the big deal. FIFA is looking for over 65,000 volunteers worldwide. Imagine being part of the world's biggest sporting event, meeting people from different countries and gaining international exposure, all for free. So let's talk requirements. To apply, you need to be at least 18 years old by the time the tournament starts. English is required, but if you also speak French or Spanish, that's an added advantage. The program is open globally, so no matter your nationality, you can apply. Now let's talk benefits. As a volunteer, you will get free meals and refreshments during your shifts, official FIFA volunteer gear, training before the event, and a certificate of participation that looks amazing on your CV. On top of that, you will gain real experience in event management, crowd coordination, and customer service. And the networking opportunities incredible. You will be working alongside international delegates, athletes, and professionals. But is this a paid role? The answer is no. It's strictly volunteer. But trust me, the value you get from the experience is worth far more than money. Exposure at an event like this can literally shape your career path. So how do you stand out when applying? Make sure you highlight any experience you've had in people-facing roles, whether it's hospitality, event, sales, or even community programs. Show that you are approachable, adaptable, and able to work in diverse environments. If you've worked in festivals or big gatherings before, make sure you mention it. Here are a few important notes you must not forget. First, you will need a valid international passport, and you must comply with the visa requirements of whichever host country you will be volunteering in. Second, you will have to attend mandatory training session about 2 to 3 weeks before the tournament. And finally, applications are open until September 2025, with offers expected between December 2025 and March 2026. Now, if you are in Africa, especially Nigeria or Ghana, this is more than just volunteering. It's a stepping stone. You can use this opportunity to travel, network, and even explore further opportunities abroad. My advice, get your international passport ready now. Prepare your police clearance and keep your academic and work certificate in order. Start building connections online through Facebook groups or associations linked to the host countries. That way, when you finally arrive, you already have a small community waiting for you. So how do you apply? It's super simple. Step 1. Go to the official FIFA volunteer website. Step 2. Register and create your volunteer account. You will fill in your detail, your email, confirm your email, and activate your account. Step 3. Complete your profile with a photo, personal info, and any relevant volunteering or work experience. Step 4. Select your availability and roles you'd prefer, like spectator services, media and communications, accreditation and ticketing, logistics, or event coordination. Step 5. Submit your application and wait for confirmation. If you are shortlisted, FIFA will contact you between December 2025 and March 2026, and you will be invited for training session before the big event. So let's wrap this up. The FIFA World Cup 2026 volunteer program is a once-in-a-lifetime chance to gain international exposure, meet people from all over the world, and be part of the planet's biggest sporting celebration. If you've ever dreamed of working at a global event, this is your chance. Now, I want to hear from you. Would you apply to be a FIFA volunteer? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs to see it. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.